Hi guys, it's Melanie from Vintage Makeovers with Melanie, and this is my store, Windmill Vintage Designs in Albuquerque, New Mexico. You can see it is quite a mess. A lot of product has been sold and new stuff needs to come in, so it's all just kind of in there right now, and it's time to make some sense of it and revamp the store. We try to revamp it at least once a week. Those white ones are sold, so they're going out the door, and here we go. Just wanted to show you guys, it's very important for stores, booths, you need to rearrange to make it look fresh. It's amazing what people notice when they come in after you've rearranged that they didn't notice before. So here we go.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
So that's it, guys. It really does look like a whole new store. I love it. It's much more open and fresh, and now I have space to bring new stuff in. So if you guys are in Albuquerque, please stop by and visit us. If you would like to buy any of my products, you can always find them on my website at windmillvintagedesigns.com. Thanks for watching.